Right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Team Performance TV. I ordered some stuff from Adams Polishes about a week ago and they just came in. As soon as I can open the box, we'll see what's inside. Almost there. Almost there. And it's a bunch of paper. They packaged their stuff really well. And more paper. And more paper. And more paper. There we go. So inside the box now, we have the SK Pro Micro Polisher. That's supposed to get into hard to reach places that the bigger buffer can't get into. Almost there. There we go. Now you can see it. We also got the tire brush. Ours broke and this one looks like it's a good quality. We'll test it with the IK foamer. I got some polishing pads, the wire adapter so we don't always have to use the battery, and compound pad.